Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin. Yeah, the king of crypto. So let's just move up to the longer. Okay, so yeah, every time I look at Bitcoin, I feel like talking a little bit about the macros. So are we already at peak fear? I think so, right? So China and Russia has forced the US into a corner. They now have to choose between their ideologies of freedom or their hedge money on the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. In this war, lives will be lost, but I think it is well played to say the least by Russia and China. What is the worst, really, if we try and look into the crystal ball and see what's the worst that can happen after this Russian war? I think if China sees it as a sign of weakness by the US, all these sanctions and not really stomping their foot ground, putting a stop to the war, I think China may see it as a sign of weakness and invades Taiwan. And the US may be forced to declare war and inflate their currency further. So if they choose to do this could lead to hyperinflation and loss of faith in the USD. And guess what would be appreciating in if that event plays out? I think it will be gold and Bitcoin. However, if the US does nothing, I think they will be no longer viewed as the leaders of freedom, of the free world. So either way, it does not bode well for the country and their currency. And this looks more of a decline of a world superpower more than anything else. And I think the future looks bright for Bitcoin and crypto. So we may see a run up to 100k this year after all, which is totally possible. Yeah, before the next halving event. I think the next halving, just as a side note, may not play out as we think. I think maybe what we'll see is a run up before the next halving, and when the next halving actually kicks in, what we will see is a sell the news event. So either way, hold on to your crypto. I think these 2 years will be extremely bright for crypto.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.